Hello, my people! It's your boy, Sandsherwking, back with another video. Today we will be playing block streets for fun, getting some levels, you know, the usual. Just get grinding for levels. So, yeah, I am currently level 1858. And so we need to grind up a lot. So yeah, we are mainly a swordsman because, you know. Alright. Currently, we are on mythological pirates for our quest. So we will go find those guys and get them. Luckily for me, I have the dragon fruit, so I could fly over there quite easily. Are y'all excited for the new block fruits update coming out? Because I sure am. Yeah. Quite easy to kill. Oh, they do a lot of damage. Out health. We're gonna complete this quest and then we're going to do other stuff, probably. Currently, I'm in 3rd C. Duh. I have a lot of good swords, really. I have Rainbow Hockey, real nice. And so what I'm currently trying to do is I need to reach max level. I also need to get some more mythic swords other than Dark Blade. We need to level up to do that. So that's what we'll start off with by doing, is killing all these guys. At least Dark Blade is a really good solo weapon. Alright, we're over here. We only need 3 more. So I'm just going to do the obvious strategy and go. And then go to this one. Get him on me too. Sword. Fire shower. Nice chunk of damage. Now time for moving on. And He's over there. I can't reach him. Oh. Oh yeah, just so you know, I have a lot of fighting styles better than this. I'm trying to get God Human. I just need Dragon Talon left. So yeah. Alright, let's go around and hang out and stuff. Well, let's see if Captain Elephant's here. I can kill him. Spider, what do you say? Alright, let's probably take out some things on. I need mastery on Coco. Start off big. Guys, this is a very deadly battle because he is a lot higher level than me. You know it. That's all right. All of that only did that much damage, guys. This is yeah. Eat all that, boy. Yeah. This is a heated battle. Oh, crap. Yeah, time for round two. I'll beat him this time, guys. Promise you. No more death. Okay, one more time. If I die, I quit. I, I die, I quit. Final round.